Do you want to invest in buying lands, but instead of the physical land, you get to buy and sell virtual lands at 100 times the price you bought it? Hello there and welcome to one of the very best crypto channels you can find on YouTube, CryptoTrends. Well, it is no news that making money is one of the most searched keywords on the planet, and I'm sure you're here to learn how to earn some extra bucks for yourself, right? Well, congratulations, you're in the right place. Today we'll be talking about Decentraland and how to make money from it. But first, kindly subscribe to the best crypto channel ever and click on the bell icon to get notified when we post some amazing content like this for you. Now, what is Decentraland that we're talking about? Well, Decentraland was created by Esteban and Ari Melich in 2015, and it is the most popular and first ever crypto-based virtual reality world. Its contents range from interactive systems like casinos, real estates, and games to 3D scenes, and you can buy and sell them and generate profits. Decentraland is the fastest growing role-playing metaverse. You can create your own scenes and applications, explore other users' environments, and even sell some of your own properties and tokens to earn yourself some huge profits. The Ethereum blockchain is what connects Decentraland's economy with fungible tokens called mana. I'm sure some of you have already heard about it, acting as the game's currency. Like in the real world, all you need is to invest these tokens wisely or how you see fit and grow your properties to make money in the metaverse. Decentraland document ownerships of property on the Ethereum blockchain to prevent fraud and make them easily transferable. Mana tokens serve as the main means of exchange, and the Decentral game casinos have seen their prices skyrocket. So I'm sure you're already wondering how we make money from this. Well, you can do that in the following ways. First, you'd need to get yourself some mana. Before exploring the ever-developing Decentraland world, you'll need some mana. It works as a fungible token, meaning it's identical and reproducible. You can acquire it using fiat currency or other digital currencies by following these simple steps. You have to find an exchange that lists mana as one of its markets. Some of the most popular ones include Coinbase and Binance. Then you have to deposit fiat currency into your account to obtain a crypto that appears in a currency pair with mana, such as Bitcoin or Ether. In the crypto exchange's buy section, enter the amount of crypto you'd want to spend to purchase the mana. Finally, ensure all your details are correct, having considered the applying fees, and proceed to confirm your transaction, and voila, you've got your mana. Secondly, you invest the mana. What separates Decentraland from other virtual or digital worlds is its ability to provide users with lucrative investment opportunities. These come in two major categories, land and estate, and they all play unique roles in the platform's economy. Land. We all know what land is, except that this land we are talking about is the virtual world. If you're thinking about buying virtual land and it's crazy, well, here's a surprise for you. Investors are shelling out millions of dollars for virtual parcels of land, and Decentraland is one of those platforms. You can purchase parcels of land in Decentraland and sell it for profits. Each parcel of land is Decentraland is measured by 16 meters by 16 meters size, and the metaverse represents them in a non-fungible tokens popularly known as NFTs. That means they are interchangeable as each parcel has characteristics that make it different. An NFT is a unit of collectibles on the blockchain with values unique to a specific item. Like in the real world, land in Decentraland is finite, making it all the more valuable by the day. How to buy land in Decentraland? You purchase land through an intermediary NFT exchange such as OpenSea or right at Decentraland's marketplace. Both options will cost you mana. They are digital currency which you can buy using Bitcoin on any exchange where the token is available. Decentraland's price rising. As of March 2021, the cost of one parcel of land was around 6,900 mana, valued approximately at $5,800. The total number of land parcels in Decentraland is 90,601. Keep in mind that crypto values are volatile, so these values continue to increase as more investors enter the market. More recently, on the 23rd of November 2021, @tokens_com and @metaverse_group secured a 116 parcel estate in the Decentraland DLC fashion precinct. That went for an approximate 618,000 mana, precisely 2,428,740 USD from OpenSea.io. Land parcels located closer to frequently visited districts like Dragon City, Vegas City, and Crypto Valley are more valuable than others. If you own land parcels directly adjacent to each other, you can connect them to make estates. That will allow you to build larger developments. So don't sleep on it. There are massive opportunities for you on Decentraland. So you just might be wondering, apart from buying and selling of lands, what other things can you do with virtual land? Well, once you own land, you're free to create digital interactive systems and applications attractions on it, such as casinos and games, which you can also monetize as you see fit. Some of the most popular developments within Decentraland are art galleries. Users can exhibit and trade non-fungible tokens, that's NFTs, artworks such as CryptoPunks and CryptoKitties. Casinos. You can create casinos by voting them in using Decentral game tokens. From there, it's all about stocking in games lobby and playing using mana or earning the currency from other players on the platform. Games. Users or developers can increase their land's value by creating games using Decentraland's software development kit. One of the most popular games is Whack-A-Mole. Clubs. These are music venues where other players pay to enjoy DJs and events through their avatars. Estates. The activities in Decentraland and any other virtual world are community driven. What makes the world's land value is in its location and how the owners develop it. You can do this by buying land parcels adjacent to each other and merging them into estates. After that, it's all about building environments like casinos, art galleries, and games where people can interact. You can accumulate parcels of land adjacent to each other and own multiple streams of income. You can also purchase parcels close to you to expand, just like what it's done in the real estate sector in real life, or rather in the real world. Selling in Decentraland. The Decentraland has an inbuilt marketplace, and it is the go-to center for selling any assets. This includes land, as previously mentioned, estates, NFT wearables, avatars, and unique usernames. Here's how users go about the process. Click on the My Assets tab to load the page contents. Once the site opens, go to Sell. Select the price you're selling an item for and set the offer's expiration date. Go to List a Sale and retype the price you've confirmed. Confirm your transaction with your Ethereum-based account and wait for it to verify. Building casinos for players to win big. Crypto payments are speedy and secure. That much we know is a fact. All the best casinos know this, and seeing as more and more online casinos are using Bitcoin, Decentraland is no exception. It allows you to purchase mana using BTC easily and participate in online gaming action on blackjack and roulette tables and slots. Players will need to create their avatars to navigate the casino floor and the gaming environments in general. Apart from mana, these animations can also win other things like NFT wearables during gameplay while making new friends. Wearing these clothes and playing at multiplayer tables will boost your rewards. Who provides casino games in Decentraland? These are also running on the Ethereum blockchain. Decentraland games supply the tokens in the casinos and the games in Decentraland. All you have to do is earn enough Decentral game tokens, and just like that, you become the house. Decentral Games is a user-owned virtual casino provided and powered by DG tokens. You can earn DG tokens by playing in the other casino games, allocating your house profits, or earning referral awards. Collecting enough DG will allow you to vote in a casino on your property. Playing in Decentraland's casinos allows gamers to earn DG tokens. Then all the token holders have to vote on whether to build new casinos and games on their land. How to earn Decentral game tokens, that's DG. Gameplay mining. Users can mine DG when playing the game using mana, and to earn extra points, play in group tables and use the NFT wearables. Referral rewards. Because you're an affiliate user, Decentraland allows you to get the DG tokens by referring new gamers on the platform. Governance offer. If you can stake or lock your mana tokens in the Decentral Games governance contract, the Decentraland company will give you the regular DG bonuses. What are the available casino games you can play? In the Decentraland casinos, you can play popular casino games like mana instead of fiat currency. Some of the classics that you shouldn't miss are to include slots, poker, roulette, blackjack, and backgammon. The massive profits in Decentraland. As more and more games join Decentraland to play or invest in its properties, the digital world's value continues to increase, and with their innovative adoption of cryptocurrencies for casino gaming and trades, you can only predict future growth and expansions. So if you think that it's too late to join the metaverse, understand that it's just the beginning. So don't sleep it. You get it? Well, we've come to the end of today's video. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and also like and share our video to everyone, and don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't. Let's make so much money together. Until next time, goodbye.